Hi, this is Dalton Hill, and I'm going to be talking about iteration 2. So for the test that I will be using for this test-driven development is that cities should produce 6 production after a round has ended. Now I'm only going to be testing for 6 production with the get treasury function. So the first thing that needs to happen is you need to set a test that tests for the city at, in my case, this red city at position 1, 1, and I will be running the get treasury function off that. If I run this test, where I'm testing for 6 production, it should fail right here, which it does. If I go to the city implementation then, where this function is actually written, I can change this to fake it and fake it out by saying that it will return 6 instead of 0. Then if I go back here and run the test again, this time the test succeeded. Now this needs to be changed eventually. So what I've changed it to is I've refactored, and instead of just distinctly returning 6, I've made a variable that is stored in city itself called production balance. I've set it to be 0 when city is initialized, and then I'm returning production balance here. If I go back now and I run the same test, you'll see it also failed. Now this time it failed because it was expecting 6, but it only got 0 because I never actually changed production balance from 0. I also wrote another function here called add treasury balance. Because we're fixated on only adding 6 production after every round, we can just run this add treasury balance function once. So I can do that right here and reset it. So now this should add 6, and then instead of expecting 6 and getting 0, it should get 6, and the test should succeed, which it does. So then this code itself would need to then be run during game implementation, which it can be run here in the end of turn function at the end. But this is for a different iteration of a different test-driven development. Thank you.